Hi, my name is Sammy and I'm an employment solicitor and immigration specialist within Law at Work, Scotland's leading employee relations consultancy. With the end of the free movement of people upon the horizon, employers need to make sure that their right to work checks are statutory compliant. This will allow you to make sure that you're recruiting the best talent for your best roles. Defective right to work checks could result in substantial fines. Every industry, company, line manager and employee requires right to work documentation to assure that they are running a risk-averse contract of employment every day. The sectors typically affected by these risks are construction, hospitality, events and business. Right to work is a legal obligation affecting every engagement in the workplace. However, students, European and seasonal workers, as well as sponsored workers, typically through intra-company transfers, would be most affected. Employers face a multitude of problems while completing a right to work check in the current financial market. These include failure to complete a right to work check, failure to certify documents correctly during a check, failure to understand the correct documents that should be taken, to employers forgetting to follow up with any check at all. With challenges to the current landscape, we could see a shift in the number of overseas and European workers. Employers should be prepared to consider the European Settlement Scheme, the new Euro TLR, and the skills-based immigration system to future-proof your processes and safeguard your company. Law at Work can help your company in two ways. First, we can complete a right to work audit, which is a comprehensive yet easy to understand traffic light report, which assesses your current process, policies and right to work documentation. This will help you safeguard against any potential discrimination action and maintain a statutory defence if there is any failings in your current process. Secondly, Law at Work can provide online training to ensure that your staff understand how to complete an accurate right to work check, to ensure that they understand the documentation that they should be taking, and so that they can identify which documents show permission to work in the UK. We understand that this is a difficult area to navigate, so you can contact the Law at Work employment law team for some bespoke advice. Law at Work also have a range of free employment law updates across the country which begin in February that are designed to keep you in the know. We'll be touching on right to work during these sessions.